Hey guys, good day. This is Simple Graphics. So in this video I want to show you how to make the design. It's like a 3-in-1 design, the same design but just different sizes, different colors. So this was the first one I made and I decided to put colors. So this is it. So let's go straight to it. So I'll first of all start by pasting my brief. This brief was actually generated from ChatGPT. So this is just what we are designing with. So I told you guys, I don't know if I did, but as a designer you must need to know what need to go, what should not be there, depending on where they want to use the design. You understand? So this is just basically on social media and nothing more. So I'm going to put this on social media folder on my YouTube. So guys, if you've not subscribed, do it to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So I'm going to go into the design properly now. So I started by making a grid, and this grid is going to be 10 by the left, 10, 90 by the right, 90, and 8 for the top. 8 for the top. The reason is just to get a balance for the designs. You understand? So this is just the grid I made for it, and I started by saving this, duplicating it, and then started from the name of the brand, which is this. So I made this into 2. The typeface, I just use Montserrat. I don't want to be looking for many typeface. So Montserrat bold. Not here. Yes, Montserrat bold. So this is it. I just put it here, and then I think that size is okay, but I'm going to reduce it to 40. That's good. So the next I'll copy this. I'm going to pin this one first of all. I'll copy this. So I'll go to my text again. I'm going to copy the next thing, which is the slogan of the brand. Copy, and I'm going to paste there. So this is it, where flavor meets comfort. Okay, so what I would do is I want to reduce the size. It should not be the same with the main size, so I'm using Montserrat medium tab. I'm going to reduce the size definitely to, let's say, 25. Yes, let's go 25, and then I'm going to take it to the right. Yes, like this. So the next thing is to copy the next test, which is enjoy. So this test is quite long, so what I will do is to make it into 2. So I'll just duplicate this one and then delete and paste. So what I'll do again is to copy this, cut out, and then I'm going to remove this daily because it's going to interrupt my design. That's the size of the design I want to make. So make this, I will edit it. I want to make each letter to have a capital letter. So freshly, then prepared. So want to increase the size. So I'm going to centralize and take it up a little. Then the other one I copied, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to delete this and add the other text that is long. So what I'm going to do is to make this smaller, very small, and I'm going to change this size, this font. Are you seeing that my grid is actually making my design to be straight? So when I get to the middle of a design or of the whiteboard, it's going to tell me that I'm at the middle. Understand? So make this smaller and centralize. Take it down a little. So that's it. The next thing is to add my chicken. The chicken, which is I don't know if you can hear me, but try as much as possible to hear me. So I'm just going to look for it. It's kind of fast, so, and I have so many designs here. Okay, so this is it. So I'll just come, increase it, add it here. So I'm going to be sending it back. Let me lock my other text. So the next thing is to add a shape at the back. I use a circular shape, very big, and then the color I use is just this. Sorry, I went to distort it, which I was not supposed to do. I'll go back. I don't like distorting my image. So this is the color, which is this AF2A00. So you can just look for it. And so I'm going to make this to full this page. I'm going to take it down. And then I'm going to send to back. So that's it. And so the next thing I want to do is to add a shape for the social media handle. So I'm just going to make it to lap to these two, and then are you seeing? Then I'm going to increase the radius. 15 is okay. So just like this. So I want to lock it. So I want to copy my text. Copy my text, which is this. So in this tutorial, I don't want to add the I'll just duplicate this where flavor meets blah blah blah. So for this, I don't want to add the address. So for this, some of you knows I have shortcut for this thing, so I'm not adding I'm not going to add that email. I just want to add the website, social media handle, and the phone number. So I'm going to clean every of this. So Instagram is C, then Facebook is F, then Twitter. So I'm just going to use the whole Twitter for the icon. So if it's a paid project, or maybe I'm doing for a client, I can practically, look for those tools and use. So this is it. So what I will do first of all is to change the text. So okay, let me use semi-bold. So I'm going to change these icons, this VN. I want to change it to this font, and the font gives me social media icons. So change this O to website. So I'm going to change this to the same thing. So Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So I think that is it. I'm going to reduce the size 23, and then I'm going to pick the red color. So I think the next thing I did was to change the color of the text. So I'll just pick this one. Okay, not here. The color of the text. So I'll go to color, and then I light the one I want. This first one. Okay. Enjoy mouth watering. That's what I want. So I'll just pick the red color, and then the other ones will be black. So I'm using two colors, red and black. So I think for this, that's for the name, the logo. This is just a name. You can create a logo for this brand and then use it for your design. So I'll change this one to your black too, and then I will add my other effects, which is the onion. So I got this from PNG3. So just add it like this. So I'll send it to the back of the I will leave this one at the front, then add the second one, which is the pepper. Then this one I will send it to back of the chicken. So I've got this. Let me pin this. So I want to remove my grid now, and this is what we've got. So there is a little effect I put on the background, which is the stripes. I want it, and then reduce this to the ending. Then this one to take it back. So this is just it. I'll add this to. It's going to go back. That's vignette. So practically this is we are done with the first design, the first one. So after making this, okay, I change this color to excuse me, I turn this color to the red. This is it. Take it up a little. So this is the first one. So I decided to add background to the picture, to the design entirely. So what I did was to import the background, and then I'll increase the size to the maximum. Then I'll send to back. So after sending to back, what I did was to move it up. I want those lines at the bottom to show. So this is the line. So the next thing I do was to work on the background itself. First thing was to reduce the brightness and reduce the saturation. So I think practically that's how I did the background. So there is something left there, so I just pin it and then copied it again and then send to back. Remove this one. So I'm going to take this background one up to, so that it can blend with the down parts. So this is it. And then what I did again, I think this one is supposed to be bigger, so I'm just going to increase it. Yeah, so this is it. So this is it. So I'll just change the colors of my text to white. So the next one white. So this one I did two colors. Okay, let me work on this other one. I choose yellow for this so that the color will pop out. So for this, choose white and then change the practically white. And I think this is all I did on the design. I think something shifted. So okay, so this is it. So this is how I made the design like you saw, and we're done. So do it to subscribe and see you guys in the next video.